Hey guys, hope all of you are doing well and having a good time. And this is something which is kind of an emotional video for us because this is the house where we made our first video, just because this was something which we bought as our first house, and now we are selling it to somebody else. Our closing is in 2 days. So yeah, like you see around, that everything is gone, whatever furnishings were there, and the kitchen and everything. So we just emptied everything and moved it to the new place. So yeah, I mean, we will explain you the complete procedure of how closing takes place in Canada for the houses, and this is what the video is all about. So let's quickly start the video. So this is the master bedroom, and this is also has been vacated. We had a king size bed here, and the room used to look small, and right now I see that it's a huge room. And this wallpaper, I'm definitely going to miss it because we don't have any kind of wallpapers in the new house. But this is something which I really loved about this particular bedroom, and that is the reason Gundeep and I had painted an accent wall in the other room, which we will show you quickly. And this is the walk-in closet. So we have a bigger closet in the new house, which we will definitely show you when we give you the tour of our new house.
And Gagan, you missed the curtains matching with the wallpaper.
Oh yeah, I mean, this is the beauty of this thing, like the wall matching with the curtains.
And guys, the part that I'm going to miss the most is this view from the window. The view from our backyard, backing to the school, and there's open park. I'm gonna miss that.
And I promise Gundeep that after this, whenever we buy another house, that is going to be a Naveen property like this one.
Imagine 2 windows, both backing to the same view. Anyways, bye. Bye the old house.
And this is the second bedroom, and this is the wall which Gundeep and I spent like a week on it to paint it. We did it all by ourselves, and imagine just within like painting it, I think hardly 2-3 weeks, and we sold the house.
But when we were painting this, like the design and everything, we never imagined like we're gonna sell the house.
Yeah, and we also did not imagine that it is going to come out so beautifully. So let's see, we might do something similar to this in the new house as well. We have just moved in, so there are so many things to take care of, so which are the priority. Right now we are busy with those.
Alright guys, going to the next room. This used to be my room, the smallest but big enough for me, and there used to be my working table. Nice space. This was backing, the window had a view of outside the door, where the parking is, the driveway and all. But I used to spend a lot of time here editing the videos and other stuff, my office work. So, nice small world of myself. But I'm gonna show you my new room. That's Gagan being generous enough to give me the biggest room, not the biggest, the second biggest room in the house. So, pretty excited for that.
Yeah, and I did that because I was like that if I give Gundeep a smaller room, then it will just accommodate the table and the chair. But the room which he has now can accommodate a bed as well. That's why. So yeah.
I can work, take a nap, recharge myself, get back to work again. Alright guys, now we have cleaned the house. Good long day for us, and gonna head out, eat something, and we'll continue this video. Alright guys, we are back. Closing is successfully done. We went to shawarma place to have our dinner, to celebrate a little bit, and now we are back. But as we promised, now we're going to explain the closing process.
So this closing process which we are going to explain is basically when you sell the house. So the buying one, we will explain that once we show you the house tour of the new house, and then we will talk more about how that happens in the case of buying. So for selling, first of all, every lawyer here has a standard fee. So in our case, the lawyer that we hired, he charges $999 plus taxes. So that is one of the major expenses in terms of closing when you are selling the house.
And because of COVID time, you don't have to go to a lawyer. They send all the documents to you via email, via DocuSign or HelloSign or any other software they use. So all the documents come to your email, you review them. One tip, it's good to have a call with lawyers so that you can go through each of the points together. And if you need some explanation, he can explain you. And then you digitally sign all the documents.
So majorly, you have to sign the document where it is basically the trust ledger, where it shows that how much money is going to the bank for the closing and how much money will come to you after profit and what are the lawyer's expenses.
Usually, whenever you are selling, the expenses are very limited as compared to whenever you're buying a house. We'll explain that in detail in the next video, where we'll explain you closing of buying a house. But for this, I think the majorly expenses are the lawyer's expenses, and if you have a bridging loan, and as Gagan said, all what is left after lawyer, it comes to the seller.
So now the question comes to, how does the buyer receives the key? So the buyer receives the key with the lock code, which is outside the house. The realtor puts in the key in that lock code box and gives the code to the lawyer, and the lawyer passes that code to the buyer's lawyer. And once all the formalities are done, the buyer can access the house.
Because the houses are really expensive and whole transaction happens in one day, and that's a house when you can legally call that house yours after you put the offer and it's accepted successfully, and that's pretty much it.
And the closing may take a whole day depending on when the wire transfer gets deposited to the lawyer's account. That has happened with us when we were buying the house, so you have to be a little patient. So that's all about this video, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave the comment in the comment box. And after this, we will be sharing a video where we will share with you that how much profit we made on our previous townhouse and how we were able to buy our new house and what kind of house is that.
Thank you so much, guys, for your comments, for your likes, to subscribe to the channel. Hope you will show the same love and support to us in 2022. By the way, Happy New Year. Belated Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.
And take care, stay safe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.